Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an IRS online account. So first go to irs.gov, and once you're there, tap on sign in or create account. Then hit create an account. Next, you can either fill in your email and create a password, or scroll down and choose continue with Google if that's easier for you. Now scroll down again and tap continue, and then you'll be asked how you want to get your security code. So either by text or phone call. So I'm going to go with text me, then hit continue, and then wait for the code to arrive. And type it in, and once you've done that, tap continue again. And next, you'll need to choose how you want to verify your identity. So you can either use self-service or go with a video call. So if you pick self-service, you'll need to take a clear photo of your ID and take a selfie. And make sure you're in a good lighting so the pictures are clear. And if you choose video call, you'll be asked to join a quick call with an agent who will help you verify your ID. So just make sure that you have your ID ready and that your camera and mic are working. And once your identity is verified, your IRS account will be created. And then you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know that it's all set up. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.